Good morning, Year 7s. As this is our first reading lesson, I just wanted to walk you through what is expected of you. So this is our announcement for the day. So our work for the day is to practice our reading skills and develop reading stamina. And you will need to read for 45 minutes and fill out your reading record for the week. I will show you how to do that in a moment. First of all, we'll click on the slideshow. Here's your slides for this morning. So it's independent reading, and basically these slides are going to show you where you can find material online to complete for your independent reading. You're required to keep a log of the reading you are doing when you're remote learning. I will show you in a moment where we will do that. You can begin reading some of the required text if you wish for English, which is Grimm's Fairy Tales, or finish the boy text if you haven't already done that. Here's some useful online sites. Manolek's library. You can go in there and check out what they have if you or a family member has a library card. And there's some links here to ebooks, audio and video, to Wyndham Council website. This also shows you the front page of Wyndham Council's library page. And there's a couple of other places here. Gutenberg Books is another place that you can go to get online books. So just go through the sites or the pages there and try and find yourself a book that you want to read. You're going to be reading it for a number of weeks, so something that you're going to enjoy reading. When you've done that, I want you to show you now where you are going to keep a log of your reading. So we shut that down. You will find this in the classwork section. And this will be here all the time now. So your Year 7 Term 2 reading record. Basically, you need to fill this out, one row of reading journal each week in our library reading lesson. It's due at the end of term, and you should be reading every day throughout the term. You open it up, it will look like this. What you need to do is go up into the corner with the three dots, open in a new window. When this opens in a new window, it will ask you, would you like to open with Google Sheets? Yes, you would like to open with Google Sheets. Open it here, and then you've got what's required of you. Okay. So here's your instructions. During our library sessions, you will spend 45 minutes reading a book or text of your choice. If you don't have a book at home, a link to the text has been provided below for each week. So if you cannot find a book in any of those online resources, you will find something here week by week. So week 1, you've got Premium Harmony by Stephen King. Week 2, you have and of Clay We Were Created, and so on. So this will become your reading text for the weekly readings if you cannot find a book in any of those places that we showed you. Basically what you're going to do is fill out then in these boxes here. There's an example up here of something that's somebody that's done one. So the first thing you will do is you will put the author of the text that you're reading. You will put in here the pages that you read. The example here shows page 12 to page 35. This section is a summary of what happened. So in here you would fill in a summary of what happened in your book. The next section, prediction. So asking you what you think is going to happen next. So again, week 1, you'll be filling this in here. Each week you get 2 questions at the end as well. So to change week by week. This questions for week 1 is what do you like about the main character? So you need to answer that here, full sentences. Describe the setting of the book. Again, answer that question here, full sentences. Okay, that's it basically for this lesson. If you have questions, please send them to me. Other than that, it's time to get reading. See you later.